I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. Today, let's talk about obesity. Obesity is an increasingly widespread health burden in modern society. Despite efforts to tackle it, the global incidence of obesity is constantly growing. Obesity derives mainly from the imbalance between reduced exercise, excess intake of food high in calories, lifestyle changes, and diet composition. Female obesity has significant impact on reproductive function and hormonal structure. You can ask me, I have seen so many overweight women having normal fertility. It is not that just because you are obese, you are infertile. It is just that the probability that you remain subfertile is high if you are overweight. It is well proven that obese women are 3 times more likely to suffer from infertility than women with normal BMI. So what is BMI? BMI is the person's weight in kilogram divided by the square of height in meters. For Asian women, the BMI classification is different. So it's better a woman is in this normal Asian BMI to have a normal fertility. You can also assess parameters like waist circumference and waist to hip ratio. If the waist circumference is more or waist to hip ratio is increasing, it is associated with infertility. Every increase by 0.1 unit of waist to hip ratio correlates with a 30% decrease in probability of conceiving per cycle. So, what is the impact of obesity on fertility? First, it can cause perturbations of hypothalamo-pituitary ovarian axis. It can cause disturbance in menstrual cycle. It can compromise ovulation. It can have negative effect on the inner lining of the uterus. Especially if obesity is associated with polycystic ovarian syndrome, the problems can be worse. Apart from this, obesity impairs a woman's response to medically assisted procreation. In addition, maternal obesity reportedly affects fetal, neonatal, and child development. After understanding all this, how can we lose weight? There are 3 important steps to lose weight. Number 1, diet and exercise. Number 2, diet and exercise. Number 3, diet and exercise. Dear friends, my New Year resolution is to walk an extra mile. What's yours?